Salve! Welcome to Easy Latin Part 10. In this video, we're going to look at changing verbs even more to make our sentences more interesting. Last time, we looked at verbs needing to match their nominatives. So if you have a singular nominative, you need a singular verb, like puella in horto sedet, meaning the girl sits in the garden, versus having a plural nominative needing a plural verb, like puellae in horto sedent. So the verb has changed because I now, in the second sentence, have a plural noun, puellae. We have so far met porto, I carry, portas, you carry, you singular, and portat, he or she carries. These are my singular verbs. We can also have portamos, meaning we carry, portatis, you plural carry, and portant, they carry. We met portant in Easy Latin Part 9. Let's look at all of that together. Porto, portas, portat. Portamos, portatis, portant. These two are new. Portamus, we carry, and portatis, you plural carry. This is what's called the first person and second person plural. And these endings are the same for every verb in the present tense. So, let's have a look at some. Puellas in foro videmus. We see the girls in the forum. So mus at the end means that we are in charge. There's no nominative in the sentence, it's just the mus at the end of the verb tells me we are the subject. It can't be puellas because they are the object, they're the accusative of the sentence, so they're not in charge. We see the girls in the forum. Here's another sentence. Puerum vocatis. You all call the boy. The tis is the you plural ending. And again, puerum is the accusative singular, which tells me that he can't be in charge. The boy's not in charge. So vocatis, you call, puerum, the boy. In previous Easy Latin videos, we have seen ego, meaning I, and tu, meaning you. They're not necessary in a sentence because the verb ending tells me who's doing it, but I can use them for emphasis. If I want to say I see, I might say ego video. Similarly, we and you also have pronouns. Nos means we and vos means you plural. Just like ego and tu, we don't need these extra words, they just help to give emphasis. So if you see nos, you're going to expect a we verb, mus at the end, and with vos, you're going to expect a you plural verb with tis, tis at the end. Let's have a look at some examples. Like usual, you have a green box with vocabulary at the top, and you have your examples down the side. Now pause the video if you would like to have a go on your own, otherwise I'm going to go through them now. Number 1, soos in foro salutatis. Soos is an accusative plural, so it can't be in charge. So let's ignore soos for now. I'm going to look at my verb first. Salutatis means you plural greet. So you greet, then I've got soos, my accusative, my object, the slaves, plural, in foro, in the market, in the forum. You greet the slaves in the forum. Number 2, in horto sedemus. Now I'm going to look at the verb first because it tells me the most information. Sedemus means we sit. So we sit in horto, in the garden. For number 3, puella donna in via portat. Look at the verb first. I have a singular third person verb. Portat means he or she carries. Now just to check, I'm going to see if I have a subject, a nominative, that is singular in this sentence that might match my verb. Puella is nominative singular and it means the girl. So the girl carries, portat, donna, the gifts, in the street. Number 4, feminam video. Now feminam is singular and it's accusative, so cannot be in charge of my sentence. Video tells me that I am doing the verb. Video, I see. So I see the woman. Number 5, nos argentarios vocamus. Vocamus means we call, and I also have nos there, we, so it's emphatic. We call Argentarios accusative plural the bankers. And last one, vos in villa habitatis. Again, habitatis tells me that it's a you plural, and I have vos, which I don't need, but it's emphatic. So you all live in villa, in the house. So this is the present tense in Latin. Complete, all done. You know that now. That's one tense out of the way, nice and easy, and you know all the forms of it. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, ost, mus, tis, nt. If you want to continue your Latin journey, go and download my free workshop from the link in the description below. It's 1 hour of on-demand video training directly to your inbox that has all of my free guides included to kick you off with Latin. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Bambasbat. Wale!